how to install eSIM on Freedom Mobile. So if you want to install eSIM on Freedom Mobile, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So step 1 is to check the device compatibility. Ensure that your smartphone is eSIM compatible. Most near models from major brands support eSIM functionality, but it's best to verify with the manufacturer's specifications. Second step is to obtain an eSIM QR code. If you're transferring your number to Freedom Mobile or moving between iPhone and Android, we recommend that you deregister iMessage and disable RCS on your old phone. Visit the Freedom Mobile website or a local store to request an eSIM. You will receive a QR code that you will need to scan during the setup process. The third step is to access the SIM settings. On your smartphone, you need to go with your settings menu and look for the cell or mobile data section where you will find an option to add a new cellular plan. After that, you need to just simply go and scan the QR code and select the option to add a new plan and use the device camera to scan the eSIM QR code that you've received. After that, you need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And that's it. Your eSIM will be activated. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.